Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make sauteed garlic and herb colacasia or Arbi dry fry, which is a very delicious recipe and will be ready in few minutes. So here I have taken around 250 grams of colacasia or Arbi, which has been washed properly, and now I will boil them slightly in the pressure cooker for faster cooking. So I'm going to transfer the Arbi or colacasia into a pressure cooker. Add water accordingly, but don't fill the cooker with water. Only half of the cooker is enough. I'll add some salt, say around half teaspoon into the water. Give a mix, and now we will cook this on medium flame for 1 to 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, I have drained off the water and allowed them to cool down. So now this has been boiled, and now we need to peel off the skin. One thing to remember is that when you boil them, see to it that you don't overcook them, otherwise they will break into pieces when we slice them or when we saute them in the pan. Peeling off the skin is done, and now I'm going to slice them diagonally in this way. These slices should be neither too thick nor too thin. Medium thickness will be fine. So slicing is done, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a pan and add around 1 teaspoon of olive oil and a small cube of butter. Let the butter melt completely, spreading it on all the sides of the pan. Now I'm adding here 4 large garlic pods which has been finely chopped. Saute the garlic for a while. Now add the sliced colacasia or the Arbi. Saute the colacasia on medium flame, flipping them occasionally. The amount of garlic should be more in order to get that nice buttery garlic flavor in the colacasia. Keep the flame on medium. And now I'm going to season them with half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, then goes half teaspoon of mixed herbs, and finally some chili flakes as per taste. Now give everything a good stir. Do this gently, and we need to saute them until they turn golden brown from both the sides. So I have been cooking the colacasia for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame, occasionally stirring them. Keep on flipping these sides so that they become golden brown and crisp from outside. So after another 3 to 4 minutes, the colacasia or Arbi have turned golden brown and crisp from outside. And by this time you will get a nice aroma of garlic sauteed in butter. Also, the colacasia are well coated with the chili flakes, herbs and garlic. And we will saute them for another 2 minutes so that they become deep golden brown from all these sides. You can have a closer look of our sauteed colacasia or Arbi. Coat it well with the herbs, chili flakes and garlic. And by now they have turned nice golden brown also. I'll give a final toss. That's it. And our sauteed colacasia is now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our sauteed garlic and herb colacasia or Arbi dry fry. You can enjoy them as a side dish or as a starter. They are very crisp from outside and are well coated with all the seasonings. This is a very quick, easy and tasty recipe. So friends, I hope you will try this interesting colacasia recipe very soon. Also share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.